Fidelity National Information Services, ticker FIS, just announced a $13.5 billion acquisition of global payments issuer solutions business. That could transform their entire business model. We are talking about a company that processes $9 trillion in transactions annually, and Wall Street analysts are giving it 16 buy ratings versus just 1 sell. Here's why FIS might be seriously undervalued right now. First, this global payments issuer solutions acquisition is a game changer. FIS is projecting over $125 million in new annual revenue just from Synergies, plus $150 million in additional EBITDA by year 3. That is massive profit growth from combining these businesses and cross-selling to their existing client base. Second, they dominate their core markets. FIS holds 35% market share in global banking software and 30.5% in digital banking solutions. Once banks integrate F1S systems, switching costs are enormous. We are talking about incredibly sticky recurring revenue. That is hard for competitors to steal. Third, the timing could not be better. The core banking software market is expected to hit $33 billion by 2034. AI and fintech is growing at 19% annually, and embedded finance could reach $385 billion by 2029. FIS is positioned right in the middle of these massive trends. Fourth, the financials look solid. They generated $10.1 billion in revenue in 2024, up 3% year over year, with Q1 2025 showing 4% adjusted growth, plus 81% of their revenue is recurring, which means predictable cash flow to support that 4% quarterly dividend. And finally, Wall Street is back in the story. The median analyst price target is around $86, implying over 10% upside from current levels. They are planning $1.2 billion in share buybacks for 2025, and they just completed their strategic transformation by fully separating from WorldPay. Now, full transparency, there is one major concern that bears are hammering on. FIS took a painful $17.6 billion write-down on their WorldPay acquisition. They bought it for $43 billion in 2019 and had to sell it for just $18.5 billion total valuation. That is being called one of the worst capital allocation decisions in financial services history. And it raises serious questions about management judgment. So what do you think? Are you bullish or bearish on FIS? Does this transformation story outweigh the WorldPay disaster? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more stock analysis.